a mine juk giant money friend va baija benahi.
Well, now let's introduce you all to his wee pals. Just wait and see.
There's een, there's twa, there's three, there's four. Oh, jeepers, I've just lost count.
Cause Jock's wee pals are haggis, you see. Just watch them run about.
The bairnies at our little wee school couldn't wait to share their news.
The local minister, Mr. Glenn, was afa feared. He gave his goody and aff he ran, till I didn't. He didn't want the mare.
There's beasties, furry beasties, they're away.
Mr. Glenn cried.
It's fine!
The loons and quines were nae shy.
We've got a plan, a rare wee plan. So listen carefully, chums.
As we shockled about on our bums.
Did you come the haggis likes to eat and drink?
No, I dinna.
Mr. Glenn scratched his head.
They love to drink bottles of iron brew and a piece of crumbly shortbread.
Oh, me.
Cried Mr. Glenn out loud.
Fancy that, I'm in shock. But bairnies, let me see where they bide first.
Up the hill and in the rock.
So off the bairnies and Mr. Glenn were, traipsing through the woods, playing on their tutors a fine wee tune to tempt the haggis out if they could.
Come and see us, your fine little friends, all the way from the school. Don't be afraid, we brought you some treats, shortbread and iron brew. Gather around, little wee chums, we want to play with you. Tell this to Jock, bring him along. He wants to play with us too.
The Haggai heard the chanting and went off to see what was amiss. With twa long leggies and twa wee stumpies, you wouldna give them a kiss. Oh, Max and traps, but dinna worry. Beasties wouldn't be hurt. 'Cause fan they're tempted, din below. The land on the leaves and the dirt. In went the juice, and in went the shortbread, handmade by us, bairnies, you see. The Haggai just love to hae a fancy piece, and sometimes hae 2 bits are free.
2 days later,
Michty me,
Cried Mr. Glenn.
I can't believe my eyes.
We're there in the trap were twa wee beasts, and jeepers, we got a surprise. Lying there wi' their bellies afu. They couldna believe their luck. So muckle juice and shortbread they ate. Couldna get out and they were stuck.
Aye, pals, we just want to say hello.
And we want to become your friends and a.
Just by please, dinna go.
But Jock will wonder for what are.
A tear came into their eye.
We canna leave Jock to bide with you. He'd be awfa sad. That's why.
Will tack us up the hill. We'll climb up Benahi.
Fit a rare wee idea.
Cried the furry wee beast.
Let's go, and Jock'll make your tea.
So the bairnies and the minister, Mr. Glenn, had new pals to hae lots of fun. Off they went yapping and skipping up one hill, happy in the setting sun.
So the moral of the story will make you smile today. Weel done, Abdi. You're a great pals now.
3 years.